morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Clues with Mercy. And so guys, we're back again with another video. So guys, someone asked me which indicator can we rely on Money Clues, and I can tell you for sure I've actually looked at these indicators, smart money indicators that you all know, guys, and I'm like, no, it is not working accordingly. You find a fair value gap indicator, when you actually see how it is working, you end up being disappointed because it is not plotting the fair value gaps accordingly. The same to order blocks, the same to smart money concept. It will repaint when drawing the change of character, break of structure, the liquidity and everything. They tend to repaint. And so guys, if I can answer your question in a manner that is going to help you, kindly pay attention on this indicator that it will never ever disappoint you. We're going to look at it, and I know it is going to help you a lot. And so guys, I want to show you about the Fibonacci retracement tool. That's the indicator that if I want to use any indicator, I can choose that one. I can use the 21 EMA. I can use also the volume profile basically. But the rest, guys, I've tried to master them to actually see how they work, and I see they do not work accordingly. So guys, right here I will add the Fibonacci retracement tool. Basically, guys, to clarify on something, remember this tool is drawn differently. We connect the high and the lows. So if you don't know the high and the lows, this will not work for you. So guys, you can start connecting the high right here and the low. I'm going to show you the settings that I majorly use and how I use this indicator. And so guys, I'm going to teach you as well something special you should keep in mind anytime you want to use this indicator. So guys, allow me to actually insert this indicator. So it is, and basically I am using the right settings. Here it is, guys, and as you can see, I've actually connected the high and the lows of the market right now. Okay, so I know you can ask yourself, are we buying or selling? I know you can ask me this question, but in this case I'm gonna look for my buying opportunity, but I have to be very cautious, guys. Anytime, and I know most of you have been told to use the 100% level, you've been told to use like the 61.8, the 50%, and so on and so forth. So guys, these are the settings I do use, and what I ensure is present is the 50% level, and as well the 61.8 and still the 78.6%. But basically I want to remove this level over here, so we'll go directly on settings and ensure they're not here because they're going to confuse beginners. So I'm gonna deactivate the price. I don't need to see the price of the market because it is basically shown on the right corner of this chart. So guys, I know you're being told most of the times that you wait for a retracement on 50% level, or rather the 61.8 level. When a retracement happen, like for instance over here, you're going to take your selling opportunity. If not there, if a retracement happen on 50% level as well, you're going to take your selling opportunity. The same happens when you want to look for your buying opportunity, whereby you see price retracing to 50%, therefore you're going to execute your buying opportunity as well. You expect a retracement still on the 61.8%. basically you take your buy orders. So keep in mind that can happen, guys, and most of the times what you're supposed to keep in mind is that this can happen and basically this can fail. And what I do, guys, I use these levels as my point of interest where I should watch the market from, because you can see, guys, we are connecting the high and the lows, and as well you're supposed to know these levels over here will work as the guidance. Why? When price breaks below this, just execute your sell order. When price breaks below this, still look for your selling order. When it breaks below this, still look for your selling order. And as well, when it breaks below this, look for your selling order. Okay, and it breaks above, still I look for my buying opportunity. I know how to do it, guys. That is how I use this indicator, and I know it is going to help you using it this way. Okay, remember, guys, as well, it is said when price is above the 50%, it is said to be on a premium level, or rather in a very, very expensive level. So many traders look for a selling opportunity. When it is below the 50% level, it is said to be on our discount zone, and so traders look for their buying opportunity. But you're supposed to know there is something we call a breakout, and there is a probability this cannot be followed most of the times, because this is forex trading. And I tell traders most of the times, don't say the market must, okay? It can happen, but have probabilities, right? So guys, let's say we want to execute our buy order, and we're going to be targeting, or rather we're going to be seeing how the price will be reacting to our 50% level and to our 61.8% level, okay? And so guys, I'm going to highlight the level. So these levels are going to guide us on the live market, how price will react to 50% level and the 61.8 level. Guys, I want you to see how they work, and they're very, very crucial as well. Pay attention on this level still, because they're very, very, very important as well. I remember I told you I use them as my point of interest, looking where a price is actually going to react to them and how the price moves. We are on the 50% level. You can see for real price drop to the downside, then it rose, or rather price is unable to break above the 50% level, because this is whereby we expect a retracement. When you see a retracement right here, you can see the market is definitely selling. You can see the power of the Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's see. This took longer. I'm trying to shorten the video. There was a wick right here, and we are on our live market right here. Price as well came to 50% level, retraced, and now it is showing the sellers are in control. So guys, I hope you've seen the power of the 50% level. It is basically working perfectly. It is working nicely, and so it is a tool that you can rely on anytime you want to execute trades. So if it happens breaks above the 50% level, you'll be targeting the 61.80 level. If it does as well, you're going to target the 78.6%. okay? So guys, I hope it is understandable. If you love my video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.
Listen, traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account, because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading, because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only, and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.